Hello and welcome. If you're here, it's because you're ready to stay well, feel more energized, and find the balance that you've been craving in both your work and your life. I'm Josieadele, and I know firsthand how challenging it can be to juggle the demands of a professional career while managing your health and well-being, especially when you're working from home. You're not alone in feeling overwhelmed, isolated, or mentally drained. And here's the thing, your home plays a major role in your well-being. It's not just the place where you work or sleep. It can either support or drain your energy, productivity, and emotional health. That's why I've created this Stay Well Masterclass to help you reduce overwhelm, gain mental clarity, and feel less isolated. In this 3-part short video series, we'll explore first creating a nurturing home environment because your space directly influences your energy and how you feel. We'll then address embracing emotional well-being so that you can feel grounded and calm even on your busiest days. And then we'll look at simple daily practices to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and take control of your wellness. This masterclass isn't just about being more productive, it's about thriving, reducing sick days, preventing burnout, and living a life that feels aligned with your health and well-being. And here's the best part. I've also included some amazing bonuses to help you stay well. First up, a guided sensory meditation to release stress and reconnect with your inner calm. We'll look at the Great 8 to stay well, a list of daily actions to boost your health and happiness. And last but not least, the golden triangle of the home, where we dive deeper into setting up your space for maximum well-being. By the end of this masterclass, you'll walk away with actionable steps you can start using right away to feel more energized, more focused, and a greater sense of balance. Click the button on this page to register for the Stay Well Masterclass today, and let's take the first step together. I can't wait to see you inside.